Empresarios. Under the colonization laws, empresarios, Spanish for contractor, were responsible for settling Texas. The O 300, Austin's empresario grant allowed him to bring 300 Anglo-American families to Texas. They became known as the O 300. So they would travel by wagon, walking to Texas from the United States to start a new life. A very difficult life because they had to build everything from scratch. But in the end, it was worth it if you were successful because you can get a lot of land for cheap and start a new life. Empresarios, help me help you, acts as a land agent, recruiting a certain number of people to move to Texas. Empresario, an agent who makes all arrangements to bring settlers to a colony, had to protect settlers upon arrival. Again, so these guys are your meal ticket. If they succeed and they're able to colonize the area, then you get paid. Right? The more successful they are, the more successful you are. So help me help you.